Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add time and date fields into Google Forms. Click the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Google Forms. You can also go through Google Drive, just click New, then go to Google Forms. Then choose a blank form to start from scratch. Give your form a clear title. Just click on Untitled Form and type in a name. This makes your form easy to organize and find later. Click the plus or add question button. Type in your question, for example, what time works best for you? From the drop-down menu on the right, select time. Now, respondents can enter a specific time. Add another question and type your prompt, like what date do you prefer? From the drop-down menu, choose date. This lets respondents pick from a calendar. Click the eye icon at the top right to preview your form. Test the time and date fields to make sure everything looks and works correctly. And that's it. That's how to add time and date fields into Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.